Hi, Adi. Good morning. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur Park. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Muna. Hi,
Hi
guys.
guys. I play video.
Mami, oh. Hi, family. Are you good there, Adi? Let's go.
Are you okay there, Adi? You good?
Six, seven. Sana kaso mag-parking. Guys! So, mami. Ito na kami. Ayan, oh. Right, let's go. Tulak kami. Wait lang, may white car. Hey!
Butterfly Creek. Parang zoo ata to na zoo na may dinosaur tsaka train.
Dinosaur! Let's go, guys. Wow! A Dinosaurus Rex! Are you scared, dinosaur? It's a dinosaur! That's a dinosaur! Look, Papa! Hi, dinosaur! Rawr! Rawr! Dinosaur! Wala yung dinosaur pa yung bunga, no?
Papa.
Eh?
Ito.
It's just a toy.
For Papa.
For Papa.
It's mine.
Hold this one.
Hold
We're
me,
gonna
map.
ride the train later. Naghahanap ng bracelet.
Wow, that's a map. Oh, this is Dora. Hiya, Dora.
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 Where's Boots? Me, Boots. I'm Fox. I'm swipe for the fox. I'll get your map.
Swipe or no swiping? Swipe or no swiping. Swipe or no swiping. Swipe or no swiping.
Oh, go inside. Wait.
Abi. Ano?
Kasi gano to?
$9. $10.
Ilaw. No battery. No battery needed kasi solar.
Yes po.
Oh, ready? Go! Oh, it's a shark! May shark pala! Big head of a shark. Octopus is a pirate.
Nemo.
Height na. Yan. That's a coral. That's their house.
Wow, Adi, are you happy?
Yeah.
That's a coral. That's their house.
Huwag ka akyat, no, akyat Adi.
Nahulog ka.
Let's go to the other one.
Let's go see the other one. Let's go.
It's a butterfly house. Kaya maglakad, mami, kasi.
Tapos mamaya
Go.
sasunod ng train.
The outside world.
Ano naman dito? UV.
Eh kasi may nag-sprinkle. Wow. Kasi ibang dimension na. Ha? Eastern Water Dragon. Ah, sa baba. Ay, nakatago. Butterfly, dami butterfly. Butterfly.
Adi.
Butterfly. There's a butterfly on my hand. Come on, butterfly. Busy, umano ng ng flower. Look! 1, 2, 3. Mine yan din?
Bracelet. Mamaya ka doon sa
That's a butterfly. Pumasok na agad sa portal si Adelaide. Oh, Adil, laki. Hanapin natin to. Saan na siya? Ayun! Parang burak. Ayun po. Puro lizard lang dito pa. Saan itong lizard na yan? Nakabaon sa ano? Ayun! Parang ano, bubuli. Parang ahas. Look, Adi. Adi, look. Look, oh. Lizard. Parang ahas yung lizard.
Ayun ang ahas nila. Bakit ganun? Wala siyang paa.
Ewan ko. Ang galing, oh.
Parang ahas.
Ang haba, oh.
Ayun ang ahas na. Eh, may hati siya sa gilid. So, baka may paa doon.
Dito na makikita dito. Ah, crocodile.
Legless. It's a legless.
Ayun, Adi, oh, sa taas, oh. Green iguana.
Ma.
This one, oh. Ooh.
Queen iguana.
Queen iguana?
It's
Yeah,
a
tutok mo yung paa niya
big
sa ano sa
lizard.
kahoy. Wow.
It's a big
I'm scared.
You scared of big iguana?
Hindi, dito lang yun, oh.
Pasok naman tayo sa kadiliman. Pagkaklipan lang dito. Puro portal sila, puro portal. Mami, open. Thank you. Wow, swimming pool ng crocodile dyan, pe. Pulog-log. Sana? Ay, laki, oh. Big crocodile. Ay, crocodile. Walang crocodile, ah. Wala yung crocodile. Ano to? Wala yung crocodile din. Ay, ayun, laki. Ang laki. Ang laki. Big one, no? Big one, no? Wow. See the big crocodile here, Adi. Adi, yun, no?
Panis kay lolong yan.
Sapatos. Pero malinis to, oh. Yung sa Philippines, madudumi. Yung ngipin, tinututbrushan siguro, ang puti.
Nakangiti ba?
Ano, labas yung ngipin.
Adi dito, adi dito.
Ah, may kiwi forest dito pala, oh.
Adi, meron pa dito. Bye-bye. This way. Wrong way ka. Tatakot ko eh. Medyo tayo dun sa acro.
Dinosaur Kingdom. Here pa. Hala. Dragon, small dragon. Wow, small dragon.
So tiny.
Galing ah. Parang ano lang ah. Ay gumalaw. Kiwi Forest. Ang dilim. Kasi hindi pwedeng ano, maingay. Ano sila, nocturnal. Di ba Adi? Nocturnal yon, panggabi lang. Kiwi Talk, 11 AM. Laki ba oh. Dahil ito pala, malaki oh. Laki, higante.
Yung pinakamalaki dati.
Lamowa, yan pala dati. Parang dinosaur bird. Ano the big bird oh. Yung picture with mommy. Here lang, here. Look at papa, look papa. Look papa. 1, 2, 3, scary. Fossil ng mo, ito. Ang laki oh. Ganyan pala siya dati. Ba, nakakatakot pa.
Pinakamalaking ibon.
Ah, ganito siya. Ito siya, naka-night vision lang.
Pero hindi, pwede ko kasi.
Naka-night vision, no? Ito yung itsura niya dati.
Dito sa kabila.
Ganito lang sila kalaki bar. Pero laki na itlog nila, oh. Ito yung itlog na moa. Ito, ito kamay ko. Kiwi bird. Ayun ang kiwi bird. Ito yung mga nasa kiwi shoes niya, pang shoe shine. Entry to kiwi. Okay, let's go.
Walang flash.
Dito yung kiwi kasi hindi na ako nag-video yan kasi ang dilim. Hindi kita.
Baka mag-burn ang face, tsaka ang arms.
Ano muna, sunscreen.
Bing wait.
Adi say hi Bluey boy.
Hi, Bluey boy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Slide. I see slide, and then I see window and slide.
Dami mo pala nakita eh.
Let's go somewhere else naman ang let's go somewhere else. Scared naman. It's very.
Go walk.
Porcupine.
Walk to somewhere else now. Walk to somewhere else.
Porcupine siya.
Ayaw for porcupine.
I'm Pokemon.
You're a pretty porcupine. Iyo. Adi iyo.
The Kraken Rib. That's the Kraken Rib. Dinosaur Land ka na ba eh? Welcome to Dinosaur Land. Ay, gusto kami na kayo papel. Dinosaur Land. Ano yun? Wala ka naman. Dinosaur. Ali, lukot tapa, Ali, lukot tapa. Ali, Ali. Ah! Ano rapor? Ano rapor? Ano rapor? Ay, kaya ka. Vamos Unicorn. May ganda pala yun. May ganda. May ganda. Big unicorn. Big dinosaur. Dragon. Big dragon. Ano yun? Monte pa to. Okay, yun pa. Mermaid. Gana aja. Yan ang pinakagusto niya, guys. Go, dinosaur playground. Play. Nangailangan na ng tulong, guys, kasi naihi ata to, napupo. What happened? You have a wiwi lang pala. It's okay kasi nakadayan napi ka naman eh. It's alright. Ay hindi, tumagos na pala. Let's go. Not okay pala. Tumagos na. Go to mommy. Later na balik dyan pagkatapos na mag-change. Dali, halika. Tumagos na. Oo. 3, 2, 1, jump.
Alis na. 15 pa sabi ah. Hello,
Puno na eh.
tayo, babe. Ako na.
Parking ng mga sasakyan. There you go, babe. Pala naglag dyan.
Really, may box.
What color one should be for phone? Hindi ko naman color sign.
Paikot.
The train, malimini train.
Blue, red. I don't know any other colors.
Dinosaur train. Go up again? Okay, go up again.
Grumpy baby all the time.
Ayun na yung train, ayun na yung train. Let's go, no?
Blue train.
Ikot pa pala.
Sila rin ba yung kanina?
Oo.
Excuse me, Kudoras.
Ah, mabilis lang pala.
Thank you. Wala. Go inside. Here. Okay, wala na.
Di kasi.
Di kasi.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Kasi ang gulo. Ano sabi ito? Parehas lang din naman yan.
No, sit. Nilalak mo yan. Ikaw magalak. Ay, family lang yan. Ay, nenang, oh.
Lambot eh.
Ay, Adi! Adi! Who's with me? Sino to?
Wow! You had a bag!
Pangalan yan. Ha?
Why?
Who's this one?
Sabi niya, Algin! Bakit nandito yan siya nila? Pangalan niya siya nila.
Kasi hi to nenang na, hi to nenang na.
Oh, love na nenang,
Love na nenang, love na nenang. Love nenang.
Nenang buy ice cream?
Ha?
Oh, buy ice cream.
Ice cream!
Yeah!
Marila! Ice cream! Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Kakain muna kami. Food, spare ribs, pork chop, tsaka skewers. Hey! Nice. Go shopping. Chupo Pip and Mommy.
Okay na nenang, be?
Christmas and welcome to Holiday. Our summer sessions is on now with free entertainment happening every weekend this month from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Starting shortly is a beautiful
Where are you going, Adi?
To the camera.
After this one, where you go?
And to the face bay.
Face Face. Okay, bye!
Bye!
The PIC Church in town, we're able to get your pride things out, okay? I'm going to have you start off the church service start. Okay? Thank you, thank you. Listen. Okay, we got one more item for everybody. This is called the finale. I'm gonna ask, we're gonna use that platform, so we're gonna use this platform as well. Matarikibo! There you go. There you go. Look at that. Matarikibo! Matarikibo! One out there. Matarikibo! Kaura! Kaura tu puana Hector! Adiraye! Adiraye! Adai! Arua! Amaru! And if you want some photos with our team, now is the opportunity to come, stand with them as we take some photo with you, with your family. Bring your family. Okay, now is the time to, if you want to be a photo, where's all our winners? Where's all the Chinese, the Japanese, the Fijians? Come close, look. Line them up on the side, yes. This is your time to be the family. Now is your time to take the photo. Where's all the children? All the children want to be in the
See you later, my darlings. Thank you. See you later, guys. Bye.
Adi.
Hi, darling.
Hello.
What would you like? A mermaid, please. Sure. I think mermaid si
Maingit ka.
Mama.
Maingit.
Darling, and that's a cool little camera. And close your eyes. It's good girl. All the pride stuff's happening. Are you going?
Ang bigyan.
Galing.
Do you look at her?
Adi, look at me.
Thank you. That's something because the 20 and we get most practice. Is she a little photo for Rainbow Rascals?
Ah, yes.
Pretty darling, do you want to smile at Daddy?
Smile.
You're so welcome. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Spider-Man. Sorry. Oh, let's go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Spider-Man.
Picture mo kayo na.
Hiya! 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 Nina!
Alright, we're home na. I wanna go home nga daw eh. Ayan na si Adi. Adi, say bye to them. Say goodbye guys. We're home now.
Where is my son Charlie hiding?
Look at my
Here
face
he is.
paint.
My son Charlie is... Oh my god.
Maddie,
Everyone
look
here
at your
has
face
turned into
paint.
zombies.
Look at your
The
face
exit
paint.
is so far away. I
Spider-Man.
have to get out of here somehow. I need to hide.
Let's look at her.
Bye.
Let's look at her face paint in the mirror.
Say bye guys muna. Bye everyone. Ito. Ay magbabay guys. So babay muna guys. Yung S niya capital pa, may exclamation point pa guys. So bye. Thanks for watching.